Health is a state of complete harmony of the body, mind and spirit. We bring you the biggest revolution in terms of natural herbal products with Youngever. In order to meet the growing demands of the healthcare industry for Ayurvedic products, cultivation of Ayurvedic plants has become increasingly important. Putting an end to this problem, Form Health Biotech has over the years emerged as a pioneer in the cultivation and manufacturing of herbal plants and products. To take things further, Form Health Biotech has also started manufacturing herbal and Ayurvedic products under the brand name Youngever Natural Solutions. Market presence and expansion. Enjoys a great market presence due to our wide market distribution and the trust the people have bestowed upon the company over the years has helped us become a premier brand. Manufacturing is hassle-free for Youngever. Subsequently, expansion becomes easier for Youngever as Form Health Biotech always ensures that our material supply remains consistent, while also the sheer size of the company is an added bonus. Products range. Youngever manufactures and exports a wide range of medicinal products while also guiding individual and corporate farming communities in helping implement large projects in the field of medicinal plants on a turnkey basis. From the cultivation of precious medicinal herbs to aromatic plants, lends its expertise in every regard. Youngever specializes in mainly 5 ranges of products. Natural herbal products. Choose from a wide range of herbal products to combat diseases as well as to enhance your beauty. We have something for everything. Aloe vera products. From juices, gels to face creams, we have numerous aloe vera products which are applicable for a variety of purposes. Natural herbal supplements. Our range of herbal supplements helps you deal with common and uncommon ailments naturally, be it obesity, stomach problems or stress. There is a cure. Skin range aloe vera. Aloe vera does wonders to your skin, so we have created skincare products combined with the goodness of different fruits to suit your skin type. Disease and remedies. Not only products, but we also have natural remedies for diseases and skin conditions that can be treated with our herbal products safely without the need of harmful chemical-based medicines. Manufacturing and production. The manufacturing unit is equipped with state-of-the-art machines which help in the production of herbal products. The production unit is completely temperature controlled, thus preventing moisture and keeping it bacteria-free. The machines installed can produce large amounts of material in a short span of time, like grinding fresh leaves to a fine powder, hence making production very easy. Product packaging. The packaging is done in a safe and secure manner in heat-proof containers so that the products remain fresh as promised. Quality. Our techniques ensure that our products are 100% safe, grown fresh under controlled temperatures and conditioned to obtain the perfect quality. Hygienic in nature and perfectly natural. Quality control analysis ensures top quality of raw materials. The finished product is perfectly hypoallergenic and dermatologically tested for immediate use. Distribution and presence across the globe. Is well placed in the Indian market and yawns ahead in terms of competition. With years of exporting quality products to international markets, we enjoy a fairly good global presence. Growing demand for herbal products from India also shares a special relationship with the USA as they work together closely on the significance and uses of herbal and medicinal plants. Free from physical disabilities and mental distractions, the gates of the soul open.